Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing your PC and network so you can reach the DVR without a monitor. Connect the DVR to the same router or switch as your computer and run SAD or the Hikvision Discovery tool. These let you find the device IP. Once discovered, log in with the admin account to enable remote config. Make sure firmware matches the tool's requirements and note the current resolution to revert if needed. You now access the DVR web interface to change resolution. In your browser, go to the DVR IP, install any required plugin, and log in. Navigate to Configuration, then Camera or Video/Encode settings. Choose the channel you want to adjust. Change the resolution drop-down from the current value to the desired setting and adjust bitrate or frame rate to match the new size so recording quality remains stable. You finish by verifying the change and troubleshooting any issues. After applying new resolution, check Live View from your PC or mobile app to confirm streams display correctly. If they don't, reboot the DVR and recheck settings. Make sure codec and bitrate are compatible with your network. Lowering resolution or frame rate often restores visibility. If you still see blank or black screens, revert to the original resolution settings via the web tool or SAD, and then test incremental adjustments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.